I was sick for a couple of days, but I'm back today with an unboxing. I bought something that will potentially improve my videos, my channel. I don't know yet. It was really cheap, like $4, and I don't know what to expect. First, it was just put in an envelope and sent. Maybe it has bubble wrap inside, but that's it. For a fragile object, I don't know why they did this. Let's open it up and see if it's broken or something, because our couriers are yeah, not very careful. Oh boy, look. Will it focus? Focus? Focus. Yay. So this is $4. It's allegedly an LCD, but this is a lie. It doesn't have colors. It shouldn't have colors. So LCD writing tablet, painting doodle, practice, calculation. That's funny. I didn't even catch that in the product pictures. Calculation. You can do calculations on it. Okay. If it's writing. So, yeah, safety instructions. Before using a writing tablet, please ensure that you read and understand the safety precautions below. Do not attempt to open the case of writing tablet or modify it in any way, as this will void the warranty. Keep the writing tablet away from water. Why? It's an LCD. It shouldn't affect it. And other liquids, as this may cause the unit to malfunction. Okay, do not place heavy objects on writing tablet, as this may cause the unit to malfunction. Yeah, they resolved that with shipping already. They probably placed large packages on it, so yeah. Uh, Anyways, I have 60-day money back guarantee, so if it's broken, whatever. If the exterior writing tablet requires cleaning, wipe it with a soft, dry cloth. Okay? Do not dispose of the unit via conventional domestic waste. Okay. Yeah, this is not correct. Yo, 1 year battery. I thought it was warranty. The warranty has to be at least 2 years in the EU. Easy way to write, a key to delete, eye friendly, save trees. Yeah, save trees. Okay. So, without further ado, let's open it up. It's not sealed, just on the top. On the bottom, it's open. I don't know why. Let's see. Oh boy. Yeah, and it had a soft. Was this inside? Yeah, it was inside. Okay. I thought they didn't even put it in this soft material just on top of it like that. Okay, so let's see. It's already dirty. Oh boy. And something is spilled on it. This is not great. Oh yeah, and it's color, just like they said. But it's a different color in different parts of the screen. Probably has some RGB garbage. Eh, this is almost usable, I think. And you... Oh, you have to... For cleaning, you have to enable it. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, and it's not... it was just pushed. Okay. So this is 100% fine. Nice. And I probably don't have to... where's the light? Just turn it off. How do I turn off the light? With my finger? I don't know in which corner it is. Whatever. So yeah, it works for $4, and it's not even scratched or anything. So yeah, I hope I can make videos with this, some educational stuff or whatever, and not waste any paper, save trees, and all that.